Founded in 2013 and located in Qingzhou Economic Development Zone, Shandong Shengshi Tyre Rubber Technology Company Limited is an international modern enterprise integrating research and development, manufacturing and sales of tires. At present, the company's design annual output is 12 million sets of high-performance semi-steel radial tires for passenger vehicles. Meanwhile, the company owns three famous brands, 3A, Rapid and Outerly, and its products have been sold to more than 100 countries and regions, mainly covering Asia, Europe, Africa and America. The company closely follows the international tire development trend to be always in line with the international advanced tire manufacturing technology and quality level. In order to learn from other well-known brands, build products with more advanced performance, and realize continuous product upgrades, the company entrusted its tire comparison tests to Shandong CCBV Testing Technology Company Limited. This testing company was jointly established by China Quality Certification Center and Bureau Veritas, owning the first third-party testing field in Asia with a test track and laboratory of more than 100,000 square meters. The test products were selected from Shengshi Tyre's tires with tread pattern 205-55R16 P309 and Bridgestone's tires with tread pattern 205-55R16 10 for 1-to-1 tests, which were mainly divided into two categories. Objective tests included constant speed inside noise test, constant speed outside noise test, taxiing resistance testing, dry ground brake test, and well ground brake test. The subjective test items were conducted at the Tianjin Motorcycle Technology Center test field by hiring Toyota Motor Corporation's former Super S-Class expert Tsushima Hideaki. And the subjective test items included dry ground handling stability test, wet ground handling stability test, and comfort test. The results from the tests on the two sets of tires are as follows. In the objective test items, the constant speed outside noise performance of Shengshi Tyre tires is lower than that of Bridgestone tires by 1.8 decibels, while the inside noise performances are basically the same. The taxiing distance of Shengshi Tyre tires is longer than that of Bridgestone tires by nearly 60 meters. The longer the taxiing distance is, the smaller the resistance will be, and the more fuel efficient the vehicle will be. The dry ground braking distance is nearly 2 meters shorter than that of Bridgestone tires, while the wet ground braking distance is 1.2 meters shorter than that of Bridgestone tires. The shorter the braking distance is, the more excellent the safety performance will be. Obviously, the tires made by Shengshi Tyre have significant advantages in these aspects. In the subjective tests, the test expert Tsushima Hideaki conducted a detailed evaluation on the two sets of test tires. Ride comfort is tested on the two sets of tires respectively, passing on surfaces of a good asphalt road, a cobblestone road, a tile road, a cement washboard road, etc. And the comprehensive score of both sets of tires is 7.3, reaching a good level. The comprehensive score of dry ground handling stability of Shengshi Tyre tires is 7.1, while that of Bridgestone tires is 7.4, manifesting the slight weakness in steering and therefore an existing gap. The comprehensive score of wet ground handling stability of Shengshi Tyre tires is 7.2, and that of Bridgestone tires is 7.4. Both of which have reached a good level. Finally, on the basis that the performance score of Bridgestone tires is 100, the expert gave test products from Shengshi Tyre a high score of 97.
如果100铝时通100分的话，我们大概能打多少分？
それからBS が100個したらトータルでいい。トータル。90。97吧。
Maintaining the advantages and making up for the shortcomings, we will definitely be able to design products with more outstanding performances in the future.